Thank you, Carlos. I'm Darren Parks from Smooth Radio Breakfast, and we are hoping to raise a ton of cash for Globals. Make some noise. If you'd like to take part, you can grab your mobile, text the word donate to 70766 and donate £5 right now. And the next people I'd like to see fake it are Kate Garraway, morning Kate, Joe Lloyd, and you. And this is how it's done.
Cole Porter, by way of Nelson Riddle. I've got you under my skin. I have got you deep in the heart of me, so deep in my heart that you are a part of me. I've got you under my skin.
So that was mine. Now, let's see yours.
Try not to give in. I have said to myself, this affair is not gonna move so well.